that's your only ambition for me? To follow. I will beat them, and I will watch them eat my dust as I forge ahead. But for that, I shall need a good horse.
You've been going on about this walk for ages. Why here?
The tree.
Which tree?
The apple tree, Father. I want to take the Knight's challenge once more.
The Knight's challenge? But you're not 10 years old anymore, you know.
Oh, please, Father. I've trained hard for this.
All right, let's go.
Look at Leon. The Guyenne beast is in a hurry to fight it out.
Your beast thinks with it. Stomach, as usual.
Well, there's something you both have in common.
That's harsh.
Go on, boy. You'll find the prey. I believe in you.
Don't get your hopes up. Let's keep going. Look, your mother's ribbon is still here. This is where I courted her, you know.
Yes, Father, I know. If only she could come with us.
We all have obligations, Amicia. You know, in a family. Hey, I'm trying to tell her something.
Such authority, Knight de Rune.
Go! Bring something back for once. Right. As I was saying, we all have obligations. I have to manage these lands. Your mother has to take care of your brother, and you...
And I hardly ever see you. I see Mother even less.
Listen. We're here for you now. So, follow me, daughter.
Hey, wait!
I hope you have your sling.
Of course.
Come on, then. Do you dare to enter the Trials Gate?
Amicia de Rune fears nothing.
This apple tree was planted when you were born. It will prove your worth.
Sir Knight, what are the terms of the test?
The sacred apples of the sacred apple tree have been corrupted by a great evil. If you destroy 6 of these rotten apples by the time I count to 10, I will make you a knight.
I accept your challenge.
I can see some stones near the trunk over there. Go and get them and tell me when you're ready.
Ready? I'll show you I'm not a child anymore.
All right, come back. Stand behind this trunk. You'll shoot from here.
It shall be done.
So, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Amicia. 6, 7, 8.
And this is how Amicia becomes a true knight.
9, and 10. Well, well. I must say I'm impressed. But your sling is frightfully noisy.
It was a present. From you.
Oh, yes. I'd quite forgotten. Goodness, what's up with him?
He must have smelled a rabbit. Come on, quickly.
You go ahead. I'll catch up with you. You're much faster than I am.
Leon! Wait for me! Leon! A hunting dog is not supposed to lose its hunter. Leon! Where did he go? Ah, there you are. What did you smell? Oh gosh, a wild boar. What a good dog.
Alicia, did you find something?
Shh, come and see. A wild boar.
Some game. This will do nicely for a little feast.
I could use my sling.
That might work, but you'll need to get closer. This grass will keep you hidden if you stay low.
It's drinking. Time to make my move. Oh no, it's on.
Find a way to sneak up. Have to hit the head.
Come on, I can do this.
Careful. You have to aim for the head.
I'm doing my best. I want that feast.
I know. You can do it, my darling.
There you are.
Use the high grass.
Its head. I have to aim for its head. I've run out of rocks. There must be some around here.
Does hunger always make you this accurate?
Huh.
But the feast isn't on your plate quite yet.
No. Go, Leon. Don't lose the scent. I promise you, tonight we shall dine like kings.
I have no doubt we will.
Don't give up, Leon. I'm coming, Leon. Keep him there and you'll get a piece for yourself. The boar. It's bleeding. He stopped barking. He must have found it. These bridges were almost new. Someone's not going to be happy. The trees. What did that? Leo, come here! It's the boar. But how? Leon couldn't have done that. Leo! Come here! Leo! Leo! I'm here! I'm coming! My dog. Who did this? Leon! Leon!
What devilry is this? We must go. Immediately. I shall organize a hunt. Go and find your mother. Tell her I must speak with her. She's probably...
Looking after Hugo. Yes, of course.
Amicia. He was a good dog. Where are the rivets for reinforcing the door?
I haven't been able to make them yet.
Did you hear about the English troops arriving?
Good day, Lady Amicia.
Those new rivets will have to wait. By the way, any news about the town?
Oh, Lady Amicia, you're back.
Theo, there's an emergency. Get the others and go and see my father as soon as you can, all right?
All right. By the way, I've set up some targets for your sling behind the stables.
Oh, thank you. pots Theo told me about. I still have my sling. Leo, if only I'd arrived more quickly. I would have killed whatever did this to you.
Oh, Lady Amicia, did you have a good walk?
Later, Flo. Tell the others that the forest is out of bounds until further notice.
Yes, I'll tell them.
Sancti Sebastiani, keep us from evil. May you forever grant us health and keep plague from our door.
Take care of Leon, please. He deserves his place at your side, even if he was a bit naughty sometimes. Goodbye, my darling dog. I hope Mother's not too busy.
This sunshine won't last long. The rain has already ruined the harvest. People are dying of hunger. We're lucky to be in this house. Mark my words.
Ah, Gabrielle.
Right about that.
Is Mother upstairs?
Yes, she spent the night there. The little one had another one of his attacks.
She won't be in a good mood.
Did you hear what happened at the village?
People being bitten. Kids too, can you imagine?
Each time it happens at night?
Famine, war on our doorstep, and now vampires?
Oh, we must have sinned something rotten to be punished so.
Cinnamon. I'd almost forgotten what it smells like. They were right to hide it. Father would put it in every dish. The smell of your cooking warms the heart.
Oh, it's nothing much, but I think you'll like it.
I'm sure I will.
Oh, Lady Amicia, hello. I didn't see you there.
Yes, hello, milady.
Yes, Lady Beatrice, leave it to me.
Louise, have you been to see Mother?
Indeed, do you want to see her?
It's important. Father's orders.
Oh, in that case, I have to finish your room. By the way, I've left a little something for you on your bed. Come and see if you like.
Ah, thank you. It's the placemat that Mother made for me when I was a little girl. I've been looking for it everywhere. Thank you, Louise.
You're welcome, sweetness. Look after it now.
Oh, Leon. What am I going to do here without you? Mother?
You know you're not supposed to be here.
I know, but something attacked Leon in the forest.
My dear, I really wish I had the time to listen to your adventures, but...
But it's true. Leon was lying there on the ground, and then he was...
Shh! You are to stay here with your brother.
What? Why? What's
Close
happening?
the door behind me and do not open the shutters, whatever happens.
But... Hugo...
He is not contagious. I realize you hardly know him, but he will be all right. Trust me, Amicia.
Yes, Mother. All these potions. Mother, will you ever be able to cure him? How long has he been here?
Mommy, are you there?
4 years? 5?
Come and see.
Where is he? Hugo? It's me. Your sister? Amicia?
Hello.
We haven't seen each other much. Mummy will be back soon.
Move! Come on!
Did he talk?
No, Lord Nicholas. He killed 2 of our men!
Where is he? I won't ask again. Where is your son?
In good hands.
Touch the house.
Is that Mommy?
He must be taken alive.
Hugo, come here.
What's happening?
Shh.
I know you're here, kid. I don't have time to play games. Where the f is he?
Stay down.
Where have they hidden him?
It's me, Gabrielle. Come here, quickly.
Hey, you! What the hell are you doing?
Let's go.
Where's the kid, huh?
Leave him alone.
Shut your mouth! He belongs to the Inquisition.
But he's just
Should
a
have handed
child.
over the
You
child.
lost your mind.
Really that hard?
Leia.
I don't know anything. There you go. That'll teach you.
No. I'm begging you. Hugo's not here.
And you, stay here.
Come on.
Very clear. Tell me, where is Hugo the Rune?
Amicia. What's going on?
Mother. I have to find Mother. She'll know. Oh my God. Louise.
Think it's funny making me run like that?
Amicia. Please. We need to move. Don't look.
We serve a higher power.
No.
No, Amicia.
We have to keep going.
Speak up. Don't make me hurt you again.
I have no idea. I only do the laundry. This is your last chance. Tell us what you know about your mistress's research.
Even if I knew, I wouldn't say anything. Lady Beatrice is a good soul.
No roads to be searched. Well, well, well. Where do you think you're going?
My children.
What is happening?
We will be all right, do you hear me? Come on. Hugo, take your sister's hand. I'll go first, and you just have to follow me, all right? We have to cross the gardens. Amicia, hold your brother's hand and follow me in silence, all right?
Yes.
Yes.
Guards, watch the exits.
They are everywhere.
Trust me. Through the grass, they won't be able to see us.
Wait.
Mommy.
Shh.
Hey, I've got another one.
Who is it?
The gardener. Knows the family well. Says he watched the kids grow up.
Yes, the little one loves flowers. I used to take him some.
Flowers! You can do better than that.
It worked.
Shh.
Make sure he tells everything he knows.
Here all my life. They're like family to me. He'll get nothing out of me. Go to hell.
Oh, yeah? You first! Listen, have a little think, and I'll come back later. And you! Don't die without talking to me first.
Bastards. Cowards.
Oh,
We have to get through. Amicia,
breaking
help him. I'll carry you. All right, be careful getting down.
Yes.
could have avoided all this. But Robert
Just
the
a
Rune
boy
doesn't
and a
like
bunch
the
of peasants. How long can it take?
Look out.
They'll see us.
We have to get further away. If I can hit the helmets in the crates over there, your sling will give us away. I can throw it instead.
What was that noise?
Right, let's go.
Ow, my head.
Breathe, Hugo, like I showed you.
What's wrong with him?
His illness has awoken. We need to go faster.
So, the boy?
He's hiding, but Lord Nicholas is tracking him down.
He's the Grand Inquisitor's right hand. The Guard has never had a better captain.
Good. At least he got the father.
And soon, I hope.
Let's go.
Be right back.
Be careful! You never know.
We can't go.
Mother.
Maybe by throwing one of these pots.
Really?
The noise will attract him. We'll slip past behind his back.
All right.
Listen. That noise. Better go see what it was.
Come on.
Oh, no.
Stay calm. Hold my hand tight.
It's locked from the other side.
Mother, the hole in the wall.
Yes. Hugo, I'm sorry. I know you're scared, but if you get through there, you can open the door for us. You're the only one who can do it.
What's behind there?
Just concentrate on the door. You're a brave boy. You prove it to me every day. Amicia is going to let go of your hand. Then you can quickly go through, all right?
All right.
Be strong.
Well done.
There are people.
Hold my hand. Come on.
Mercy! Mercy!
Wait.
Screaming for mercy won't make you run faster, my lad!
Come on.
What? Something's not right. I'm going to look.
Follow me.
coming.
Amicia, you have to help him next time.
Sorry.
I need to calm down.
What is wrong with him?
But I was sure.
Listen to my voice, Hugo. You know how this goes.
My eyes. My head.
Listen to me. Breathe. Think of the cloud that you breathe in and blow out. In, out. Like that, slowly.
Mother, we can't stay.
Give him a little time. Are you alright, Hugo?
I think so.
So, let's continue. Courage, my darling.
It's okay, Hugo.
I'm coming.
There you go.
Thank you.
We can go now.
It's too risky with Hugo. He's slower than us.
There are pots over there. I could cross, make a diversion.
Alone?
Yes, you'd have more time. I can let you know when it's all right.
Be very careful.
Hey, stop! You're going nowhere! I know you're there.
Aim well. Mother and Hugo need time.
Stop!
I need to call them now.
Don't play around like that!
Psst, come here.
We're coming.
Come on, come quickly.
Well done. This way.
The garden gate. We should be able to get out of here.
There's one guard left.
The scarecrow. I used to practice firing at it.
But he will come this way.
Yes, but we can wait until he goes away again.
All right. Leave this to me.
That noise. I think it came from over there.
Go away. Get out of here.
Now.
You're alive. This way. This way. Follow me.
My darling. Go and hide quickly now.
Madame, they are
Amicia,
here.
you have to take your brother to Laurentius.
The doctor?
Yes, he helped me treat Hugo. He will look after you.
And what about you?
You
You
do
have
not
to come.
need me, Amicia. You are.
But I do need you. I need you.
Hurry now. Follow the river. It will lead you to Laurentius.
Mother, no! Hugo, follow me. Now.